Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can receive money on Worldremit. So let's get started. The moment someone sends you money, you'll get a notification via SMS or email with a reference number. Keep that safe, because you'll need it. If the sender chose the cash pickup option, all you have to do is head over to the nearest Worldremit partner location, show your valid photo ID, give them the reference number, and just like that, you'll walk away with your cash in hand. If the money was sent straight to your bank account, then sit back and relax. It'll be deposited automatically, usually within minutes or up to a few hours depending on your bank. You can also receive money into your mobile wallet like M-Pesa or Bcash, which means funds go directly to your phone number instantly. And if someone wants to send you an airtime top-up, you don't even have to lift a finger. It'll reflect on your phone almost immediately. Whether it's cash, bank, or mobile, Worldremit makes sure the money reaches you safely and fast. No complicated steps, no hidden tricks, just easy and reliable transfers. Try it once and you'll see just how convenient it is.